My first interaction with Chris was the Game Changer Summit. And at the time, I was a solo attorney. I had one assistant. Overall, I had a good life, but I felt like I had hit a plateau and I just couldn't seem to get to the next level. I just needed a plan, and I knew that Chris could give me that plan. So I signed up. Those new marketing strategies and the videos and things that we did with Chris has the phone ringing off the hook, quite honestly. I had to hire a 24-hour virtual receptionist just to keep up with the call load that we're getting now. And going through the step-by-step process of the Chris hiring funnel, we have finally hired an associate attorney. So now we have gone from one attorney and one assistant to two attorneys, an assistant, and a part-time additional administrative person. So we are definitely in growth mode. Working with Chris has also changed me personally. It's made me reevaluate every aspect of my life, and that includes recommitting to my own personal health and wellness. And so far, I have lost a total of 20 pounds and still counting. Hiring Chris was truly the best decision that I've made in the last year. It's had a snowball effect on just improving every area of my life. And for that, I'm just so very, very grateful.